What's up, guys? Oh man, I'm really tired. It's like 10:30. I'm trying to stay up, but man, I'm getting tired. Oh, dude. I had hockey today, and I had hockey yesterday, and I got injured. My stick all snapped, and I got pissed. Man. Ooh. I'm getting some pretty good sleep, but I don't know how long that's gonna last. Being really bored watching some TV right here from flat screen. Yeah. Not much to do from YouTube. I've been trying to find some videos, but not much. I'm just gonna let you guys go. Peace out, guys.